Glacier Tubing Hill. Okay.
There he goes.
Typical spring conditions. We're going to use skins as a faster way to travel uphill. The skins. Oh. Ouch. Ta-da! I just keep waiting for like a security guard to run over and be like, hey! Gone. Okay, now these are special skis designed for touring, but for people who can't afford touring skis, like me. Pull the lever, boom! Detachable heel. All right.
Okay.
Time has come. Looks like it's recording. Okay, let the games begin. I really don't know how I'm going to store these skins on the way down. Woo! Got a vertical rise of about 200 feet today. Look at April all the way down there. Hey, April! I can barely see you. You're so tiny. Whoa! Okay, but like I'm actually feeling this. Whew. Real steep. Take a little breath break. This is normal. This is all a part of backcountry. Ah. This should not be as hard as it is. Ah. Whoa! Those variable spring conditions. Oh, for God's sake, I'm so tired. Ah! It's getting real. Hey, let's go the other way. Right now, not good skincare. Don't do what I do. Okay, remember to take them off touring mode. That would be a fun twist. Okay, all right. Now the hard part. Brisk. It's very brisk. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo! One of the best backcountry lines of the season right there. Look at that. Wow, Nate the Great Harper at it again.